women, fighting unwanted cellulite is a never-ending battle. But now one belly doctor is helping women wage war with the use of a new laser treatment. Suzanne Bissett sat down with plastic surgeon Dr. Daniel Shapiro at the Shapiro Aesthetic Plastic Surgery and Skin Clinic to find out how Cellulaze is changing the way women look at their bodies forever.
I've had cellulite in the back of my thighs forever, and I've tried everything to get rid of it.
And for Abby, nothing could get rid of it.
I've tried all the gimmicks, nothing has helped. You've tried the creams, massages, whatever has been on the market. I have purchased it at some point in time and tried it.
So she turned to board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Daniel Shapiro for the latest laser treatment called Cellulaze.
We mark the areas that are dimpled with red.
Dr. Shapiro says Cellulaze gets rid of cellulite for good.
The reason why this machine is so revolutionary is it affects really anatomically about what's going on. We actually can decrease the level of the fat, so the amount of bulging that you see between the dimpling. The second thing is that we use the laser to cut those septum, those things that cause the vertical orientation of the fat, and that's permanent. And the last thing is that we use that laser to actually go beneath the layer of the skin and tighten up the skin.
The minimally invasive procedure takes roughly 2 hours. First, Dr. Shapiro uses different colored markers to customize each patient's troubled areas.
Each one of these is a square, all right? So in this particular square, there's mostly red and green. So depending upon how I use the laser will tell me what I need to do.
He then uses the graphs to map out where he's going to use the laser and make some small incisions.
It depends upon how I use the laser and which areas I use it in to either decrease the bulge, to cut the dimpling, or tighten up the skin.
While patients see the final results after several months, Dr. Shapiro says many patients do see a noticeable difference immediately.
Initially, you can see that dimpling that has been so troublesome. You know, people say cottage cheese thighs and all that kind of stuff. This will actually get rid of that dimpling almost immediately.
And as Abby waits for her procedure appointment, like many women, she's looking forward to showing off her legs once again.
Shorts and some skirts, and something that's going to be cool for the weather for the summer. And that is what I'm looking forward to, instead of always keeping bundled up.
You're going to let your legs show?
Yes. Hooray.
I'm very excited because this is the real deal. I mean, nothing has come close to treating cellulite before, and I think this is very satisfying for me as a surgeon, you know, as a plastic surgeon, and also it's just so great to have patients happy finally.
Typically, patients are back in on their feet the same day, but they do have to wear support hose for a couple of weeks to help with the healing. There is a special promotion. If you mention your Life A to Z, you'll get $500 off a Cellulaze treatment. If you would like more information about Cellulaze at the Shapiro Aesthetic Plastic Surgery and Skin Clinic, you can log on to shapiroplasticsurgery.com or call the number on your screen.